In this video, we're going to install the Xverse wallet, which is one of the more user-friendly Bitcoin wallets, and it's available for iOS, Android, and Chrome. So to get started, we're going to click on download. In this case, I'm going to install it on my desktop, so I'm going to click download for Chrome, and I'm going to go ahead and click add to Chrome. Add extension, and you can see Xverse wallet has been added to Chrome. All right, now that the wallet's been added, I'm going to click here on extensions, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Xverse wallet. And you have the option of importing a wallet if you already have one set up. In this case, we're going to create a new Xverse wallet, and it says all your Bitcoin, stacks, assets, and NFTs in one place. So we're going to click next. We're going to click next. Click continue, accept. You're going to want to back up your wallet right away. Your seed phrase is the unique key that allows you to recover your wallet. So it's a good idea to do that right away. So we're going to click back up now. Go ahead and write down your seed phrase on a piece of paper. Make sure you make multiple copies and store them in multiple locations. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to write down my seed phrase. I'll be right back. Okay, so after you've written down your seed phrase, again in multiple locations, it's going to ask you to confirm it. You'll go through a series of steps to confirm your seed phrase. Once you do that, you're going to get to this screen that says enter a password. Go ahead and enter create a password. Click continue. Confirm your password. Continue. Wallet has been created successfully. Go ahead and close this tab. Okay, so now if I click on extensions and Xverse wallet, I'm going to go ahead and log in with my password. All right, so it's that easy to create an Xverse wallet, and you are now ready to send some BTC, some Bitcoin to this wallet so that you can self-custody and purchase Ordinals or do anything you'd like with your Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.